Today, we're adding a secret ingredient that will give your omelet a creamy and silky texture along with some added protein as well. That secret ingredient is cottage cheese. We'll start by blending our omelet base together. You can use a blender like I am doing here, or you can use a food processor or immersion blender if you prefer. Crack open and add 3 eggs. Add 1/3 cup of cottage cheese. For our seasonings, we're using half a teaspoon garlic powder, half a teaspoon Italian seasoning, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, and a pinch of salt and black pepper. Blend everything together until you have a smooth liquid consistency. It should only take a couple of seconds depending on how powerful your device is. Once it's done blending, set it aside for now. Now we'll prepare the filling for the omelet. Turn a burner on medium heat and then place a skillet on top. Give it a light spray of oil. Start by adding 2 tablespoons of a diced white onion. Add half of a green bell pepper, also diced. Add 1 slice of ham or bacon that has also been diced. Cook everything for about 5 minutes until it starts to brown slightly. Once it's cooked, remove it from the skillet. Reduce the heat down to medium-low and place your skillet back on the burner. Then pour your blended egg mixture into the skillet. Cover with a lid and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. It should be mostly set and firm at this point. Add your cooked vegetables and meat on one side of your omelet. Then add 1/4 cup of shredded cheese. Carefully flip the opposite side of the omelet so it covers the filling. Then let it finish cooking for about 1 to 2 minutes to allow the cheese to melt. Once it's done cooking, remove it from the skillet. Finally, we'll garnish our omelet. Add your favorite salsa or hot sauce on top, along with some sliced avocado. And finally, some fresh chives. Then you're ready to enjoy your cottage cheese omelet. The recipe is flexible and you can easily change out the filling ingredients, garnish, or seasonings in this recipe to your preferred choices. The most important ingredients in this recipe are the 3 eggs and cottage cheese, as those will give you the base for your omelet. If you plan on making multiple omelets for others, you can multiply the ingredient amounts by the number of omelets you plan to make. To save on time, you can blend the base for your multiple omelets all at once and cook the filling for all of your omelets all at the same time as well. Thank you everyone for watching. Please consider liking the video and subscribing to the channel for more healthy recipes every week.